How to fix network adapter driver issue on Windows 10. Here are some methods that should help you with the network adapter driver issue on your own Windows 10 PC. Method 1, disable then re-enable network adapter. Method 2, run net. Adapter troubleshooter. Method 3, flush DNS and reset WinSock components. Run the following. Commands one by one, as admin, IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flushtons IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushtons end stat r netshare int IP reset netshare WinSock reset. Method 4, reset network connection. Method 5, update network adapter driver. Using the official resource. Method 6, remove. Network adapter from device manager. Method 7, change. Power management setting for network adapter, uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. More, enable maximum performance for wireless adapter settings under change advanced power settings. Method 8, roll back. To previous network adapter driver, if available. Method 9, temporary. Disable antivirus and firewall. Method 10, reinstall. TCP/IP. See more info at https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/2993577/how-to reset TCP/IP by using the netsHEL utility.